This isn't just a mountain, it's a sacred symbol of Japan. Mount Fuji is Japan's tallest peak at 3,776 meters, 12,389 feet. It's actually a stratovolcano, and yes, it's still active. Though it last erupted in 1707, it's considered sacred in Japanese culture, a place for pilgrimage and spiritual reflection. Millions of tourists visit every year to see its perfect cone shape, often covered in snow. You can even climb it in summer, with over 200,000 climbers a year reaching the summit, and sunrise from the top. It's called Gareiko, a moment people wait a lifetime for. Like and subscribe for more amazing world facts.